Hi guys, today we're going to work on the second part of perimeter. So we're on perimeter part 2. All right, to get us going, we have 3 things to wake our brains up. So let's get started with the first one. It says Anne had 41 red balloons. She gave 11 balloons to her brother. She gave 8 balloons to her sister. She gave 5 balloons to her friend. How many balloons did Anne have left? All right, pause the video, try this on your own and come on back and I'll help you out with it. Okay, first thing we notice is that she has 41 red balloons. She gave 11 balloons to her brother, so we're going to be taking those away. She gave 8 balloons to her sister, so we're going to take that away. She gave 5 balloons to her friend, so we'll be needing to take that away. And we want to know how many she had left over. There are 2 ways you could do this. Because she started with 41, you could have 41, you could take away 8, whatever that total is, you could take away 11, whatever that total was, you could take away 5. Or you can do it a second way, and this is the way that I'm going to show you. I'm going to take all 3, the 5, the 8, and the 11, and I'm going to put that together and then subtract it from 41. It'll just save me a step. So I have 41, and I am going to subtract it from 8 and 5 is 19, and then 5 more, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I'm going to subtract 41, take away 24. That means I'm going to have to borrow over here. This becomes an 11. All right, and that means that she had 17 balloons left. So it wouldn't matter which way you did it. If you had done the 41, take away 8, and then take away 11 and take away 5, you're still going to get 17. Second, wake your brain up. We have Faye, Jay, Kay, May, and Ray are monkeys. They think their names are too much alike. So do I. They went to the monkey name store and bought new names. They paid 6 quarters, 3 dimes, and 19 pennies for the names. How much did their new names cost? Go ahead and try it on your own. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I like to think of my 4 quarters as $1. So there's 4 of my quarters, and that equals $1. So then I need 2 more quarters because that would be 6 quarters. And then I need 3 dimes. So I'm putting the value of my dimes, and I need 19 pennies, and you know what? I'm going to just put 19 for that. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to count this. I have $1. This is 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then I need to add the 19. So I have $1 and 80, and I'm going to add my 19, and that is going to give me, all over my page there, that is going to give me $1.99. That's how much it costs to change their names. Hopefully you got that as well. All right, the third wake up our brain. It says, what is the sum of the areas? So we're going back to area, which we worked on previously. Try it and come on back. Okay, sum means to add. So we're going to have to figure out these 2 areas, and then we're going to have to add the totals together. So I have 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 3 by 7, which is 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 by 5, whoops, which equals 25. So I'm going to take the 21 and the 25. I'm going to put them together and find the sum of that. I'm going to put that right here, 25, and I'm going to add the 21, which means the sum of my areas is 46. Okay. Now we're ready for perimeter part 2, the lesson that we're actually doing today. And in class, we actually did some breakout rooms to see what we remembered about perimeter. So here's some questions to think about. How can it be measured? How to use adding and multiplication together. So I'm going to tell you that you can use yards, you can use feet, you can use meters, you can use inches, and you can use centimeters. That's how we can find. And remember, perimeter is all the way around the edge, so we can use addition or multiplication to help us. All right, again, perimeter is all the way around those edges. Okay, this is the area inside here. but we are talking about perimeter today, so it's all the way around. In Zoom class today, we actually watched this video. I would suggest you pause this video, write this down, and then go back in and watch it because it's really great to help us with perimeter. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a different way to find perimeter. In the things that we watched before, we found that we were always measuring. Well, it was measured for you. It would say it was this many inches or this many centimeters. Today, we're actually going to be using grid squares to find the perimeter. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. The first thing you notice is that these orange squares look very much like the area we found the other day. So the perimeter is now finding all the spots on the outside of that area. So in order to do that, I have a little trick I like to use. Okay, first thing I like to do is I like to go from this space to this space because that's actually a line segment that's been put together. All right, and notice that this gets counted as one of those parts on that line segment. Here is the second line segment, third line segment, fourth line segment, fifth line segment, sixth line segment because we're coming around the edge, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this actually has a perimeter of 14. Now, I used those black lines to count the line segments in between, and this was the example for that. The next one does not have black lines, so we'll be working towards that. All right, because we have to count the grid squares to find the perimeter here. So I'm going to show you how I do this without the lines and how to put the lines in, and then you're going to practice some on your own. All right, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to say, well, right here gives me 1, 2, actually, just the lines, 3. Here is 4, here is 5, here is 6, and I do like to do it at the same time. If you think you'll do all these loops and then go back and count them, it really doesn't work as well. And that actually should just be 1. So I'm at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So my perimeter here would be 18. Did you see how I did that? All right, I want you to try this one. Remember, perimeter is all the way around the edge. And if you count in between those line segments and put that line, that's really helpful. So pause the video, try it, and we'll check it together. All right, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So this has a perimeter of 18. All right, try this one. Okay, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one also has a perimeter of 14. Try this one. Okay, 1, 2. Now remember, we have to go around all of the outside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This has a perimeter of 26. That was a little trickier. All right, now we're going to try a different kind of perimeter, and this is actually on grid paper. So watch me as I show you how to do this one. All right, I think I'll pick yellow. Okay, so it's really very similar, but you're going to notice now that you can actually see those line segments a little bit better. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you got to come around the edge. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this top one had 20. I don't think yellow is the best choice. The top one had 20. Now, down here at this bottom one, again, it's not colored in. It doesn't matter whether it's colored or not. I wanted you to see it both ways. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now we have to get the bottom, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this one would have 12. So you have one with 20, one with 12, and we're doing it on grid paper. All right, I want you to try this one on your own. Okay, did you count from here to here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Did you get 14? I hope so. Try this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so you have 18 on that one. All right, try this one on your own. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one has a perimeter of 16. All right, try this one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one had a perimeter of 14. All right, try this one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one had a perimeter of 12. All right, this is a challenge question for you, and it says challenge accepted. All right, can you finish dividing the shape up and find the perimeter? So you have to do 2 things to this. So try it, and then of course, I'll show you how to do it. All right, did you take the challenge accepted? This is what I would have done. First of all, I would continue what I already see started and fill in the rest of the blanks there. Next of all, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This had an area of, this had a perimeter of 12 also. All right, you've come to the end. Great job, guys. You are now a perimeter expert because you've completed perimeter 1 and now you've completed perimeter part 2. Until next time, bye-bye.